It's Gary here from SaferWholesale.com. What we're going to do here right now is show you guys how to fix the leak if you ever have one on the 50cc, the 6B, or the 7B. So the easiest thing, step one, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to take this cover off. 1, 2, 3 screws there. There's no nuts on the bottom. You're just going to simply unscrew that. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to unscrew the exhaust there. And then
one bolt here,
one bolt up here, 2 right there, and then we'll get to the next step. Unscrew the exhaust next. Next, you want to unscrew the cover there. And then we're going to be draining all the oil, which you need to do anyways. Next, what you want to do is once you have this cover off right here, is you want to take this chain off, which is relatively pretty easy to do.
Yeah, you just take off the little...
And then what you're also going to do is you're going to unscrew this bolt here, and then there's one on the other side. And then we'll move to the next step here in just a second. Okay, so now here we go. We've got the chain off, and we're gonna pull the starter out.
And then right here is where your oil leak will be coming from, this seal.
And your oil leak is coming right from this seal where the black ring is around there. And we're going to simply show you what to do if you do not have the gasket. Next, after you take the starter out, which as you can see right here in the video, we've got some gasket maker, gasket sealer RTV that you're just going to easily, simply put around that seal there. You still leave the seal there, but then you're going to simply put it back in.
Put it right back in.
And then basically reverse everything else, put your chain back on, and there you have it. That's it.